See this, guys, you can see this. They are just creating images and started earning money, and you can see this, how much money they are earning. $5 to $73, $4 to $66, 10 to 160 every single day. You can see this, every single day that particular channel is earning this much amount of money. Do you want to know the secret behind it? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money by just following whatever steps I'll just teach you in this video. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from YouTube with brand new topic, guys. Brand new. This video will help you to generate a good amount of revenue on YouTube. Lots and lots of our subscribers are asking me a question that, sir, please guide us a business strategy which will help us to earn money online, and that should be passive. Okay, how to do it? I'm going to show you step by step, and you can yourself can become fully fledged with these strategies. Okay, so how to earn money? Let's begin. So first of all, guys, what you need to do, is to just come up here in this youtube.com. okay, youtube.com, and guys, what you need to search here is then and there, then and now. Okay, then and now. Okay, and you can see this, guys, what is your favorite actor, and I just want you to type down what is your favorite best actor, and guys, through this we can earn money. Okay, you can see this, guys, this is a random video. They are just posting this thing, like they are just creating images and making these images to a particular video, and they are earning money, good amount of money. Okay guys, they are earning good amount of money. So if I just see this, guys, if I just open this channel, okay, and this is not one channel, guys. Okay, this is not one channel. Okay, if I just copy this, and you can see this, guys, hundreds and hundreds of videos are posted by this person by just 10, what is the age, and he's just making these kind of things, guys. He's just making the pictures and then animated it with the help of an application, and I'll show you what type of things he is doing. So what you need to do, guys, is to come up here in this social blade and just put the channel name here. Okay, just put the channel name here and just click on this search button. Okay, and you can see this, guys, Epic Moon, and you can see this, guys, how much monthly earning from $300 to $4.9 thousand dollars, guys, and you can see this every day from $6 to $95. Passivate the income, guys, passivate the income, and it's very well versed by just creating images. How to create it? I'll show you how to create it. But you can see this, guys, how people are actually earning this much amount of money. How they are actually earning this much amount of money. Okay, so what are we doing right now? Okay, so you get this point that how much people are actually making this much amount of money, but how can we do it? So guys, just come up here in this canva.com. okay, canva.com is a very good website, guys, where you can create your own design, customized design and pictures. Just click on this create design. Okay, and just click on this photo collage. Okay, just click on this photo collage, and guys, you can create collage over this platform, photos. Okay, how to create it then and now? Okay, so let us suppose, guys, I just type Justin Bieber. Okay, Justin Bieber. I can say that in 2000, how he is looking. Okay, at the age of, we can say that I can say that at the age of in 2005, how he is looking. Okay, so let us suppose, guys, he is looking in 2005. We can say that he is looking like this. Okay, so you just need to click on this and just copy this image. Okay, and just paste it over this platform. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so you just need to put this image here. You can see you just need to put this image here. And guys, now what you need to select, Justin Bieber present. Okay, present. Whatever favorite actor you are having, guys. Okay, you can see this. This is now he is. So just copy image. Okay, and just post it here. Okay, you can see this, and you can even crop this thing as well. Okay, as per your requirements, you can also do the cropping part. Okay guys, and you can able to manage this. Okay, so you are good in cropping, guys. I know you are very well versed with the editing part. Okay, you can see this. I'm just showing you how you can create it. So guys, just come up here in this text box and you can see this. Let us suppose it is of 2005 image. Okay, 2005 image, not 2005. I can say that it should be, guys, 2010. Okay, as per I know. Okay, I'm very bad with the dates, guys. I'm sorry for this. Okay, and you can say that's 2020. Okay, so this is how you need to create it. Okay, this is the best way of doing things, guys. This is known as evolution image. And guys, what you need to do, you can see this, is to just click on this download button and select JPEG image. Okay, and you just need to click on this download button, and that's it, guys. You just need to download this image. See this, you just need to download this image. Okay, how people are actually earning just by downloading it. And create a set of celebs, guys. Justin Bieber is one of the celebs. Okay, there are hundreds and hundreds of celebs, guys. What is your favorite celeb? Just write down on the comment section, please. Okay, and how much you can able to generate more pics, also write down this thing. Okay, and guys, what you need to do right now, okay, so just come up here in this Google Play. Okay, just come up here in this Google Play. So what Google Play does, okay, so you are all having Android phones. Don't worry, guys, if you are having iOS phones, it's always okay. Okay, so you just need to type here in your Apple Store or your Google Play. You just need to type image to video. Image to video. That's it, guys. And you can see this, guys. Image to video applications are lots and lots of image to applications. Okay, so why I am showing you the application, guys, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, we do not have a laptop. Okay, we are having a mobile phone. Okay, so please tell us a limited option that with the limited resources, how can we create these small stuffs. Okay, so guys, I have created these kind of things, these small tactics for you. Okay, you can see this how to create image to video movie maker. It's all about. Okay, so you can see this, you can, if you just see the images, you can see how it will take an image, okay, and will generate video out of it. And they can also give you non-copyright songs as well. Okay, non-copyright songs as well. Okay, so you just go now and just quickly do that job, and you can see this, guys. I have already shown you how to create an image. Okay, and you if you are not familiar with this, so you can see this, guy. You can search collage maker. Okay, if you want it, because guys, canva.com is very well versed. I'm just showing you how to create a demo, and you can see this, guys. There are hundreds and hundreds of folder apps in the Play Store, in iOS store. Okay, you can see this. You just need to do the drag and drop thing, copy paste the images, and create a video out of it. Okay, I hope guys you'll get a point, and from that, guys, you can also earn, you can see this much amount of money. Okay guys, every day you just need to do some passive income. And if you want to see this, that what is a we can say that activeness, so you can see this with 5 days week, one video per week. I can say that 1 video, 2 videos per week he has created. Okay, a target, so you can create your own target based videos. Okay, so that you are getting an idea that what are the great chances of doing the things. Okay, so you do the side hustle. And guys, for this video, just click on this like button and hit the subscribe bell icon as well, subscribe option and bell icon as well, so that guys there is always a motivation to give you the best content. You already know this thing. And guys, okay, if you are not familiar with how to earn money, you can guys just write down on the comment section that I'm facing any problem with these kind of things. Okay, I'll create you and I'll help you step by step how you yourself can earn better and good amount of money by just sitting at home and doing stuffs whatever you want. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.